ये पक्का सक्सेस होगा।
The centre today cleared the Agnipath scheme for recruitment of youth in the armed forces. Briefing media in New Delhi with three service chiefs, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh said the youth selected under the scheme will be known as Agniveers. He said that the Agniveers will be getting attractive monthly packages with risk and hardships allowances as applicable in the three services. Rajnath Singh said that Agniveers will also be paid a one-time Seva Nidhi package that is exempt from income tax upon completion of the engagement period of 4 years. The Agnipath scheme cleared by the Cabinet Committee on Security allows patriotic and motivated youth to serve in the armed forces for a period of 4 years. Agniveers will get a salary of 30,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees per month and allowance as applicable. The Seva Nidhi will be exempt from income tax. There shall be no entitlement to gratuity and pensionary benefits. Up to 25% of the Agniveers are also to be selected for enrollment in the armed forces as regular cadre. Following the complaint